Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Big Cartel. First, you'll need to sign up for an account. Visit the Big Cartel website and click Open Your Shop to begin. You can choose a free plan for up to 5 products or a paid plan for more features. Enter your email, create a password, and name your shop. This sets the foundation for your creative business. Once your store is set up, it's time to add your amazing products. Go to the Products section in your Big Cartel admin. Click Add Product and fill in the details such as the product name, description, and price. Don't forget to upload clear, compelling images. You can also add variants like different sizes or colors and manage your inventory levels. Making your store visually appealing is crucial. Head to the Shop Designer to customize your theme. Big Cartel offers various free themes you can choose from. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout elements to reflect your brand style. You can also add custom pages for important information and easily link your social media accounts to enhance customer engagement. After launching, managing orders becomes key. The Orders section in your admin allows you to view and process all incoming sales. You can track each order's status, print packing slips, and manage shipping information. Big Cartel also helps you send shipment notifications to customers. This streamlined process ensures smooth operations and happy buyers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.